What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to set passcode for chat lock and WhatsApp. Now first thing you should do is to simply go to your settings, then go to passwords and security, and now you should make sure that you have both of these security methods on, the fingerprint lock and the screen lock. So I'm gonna head to screen lock. Then what you should do right now is to choose the PIN or the password in order to set a password to your chat lock. The difference between PIN and password, PIN can only use numbers while password can use numbers, letters, or even some signs. So now I'm gonna go back, and after setting our PIN, now we can go to your WhatsApp and you can simply hold on any chat, then click on these three dots right here, then choose lock chat. And now you should use your fingerprint in order to lock the chat. So I'm going to use my fingerprint, and now when you go to lock chats, you can now use either the fingerprint or the PIN. So I'm going to choose the PIN right here. Then I'm going to enter the PIN of my phone. Then I'm going to click on confirm. And now if you want to unlock the chat, you can simply hold on it and click on these three dots right here. Click on unlock chat, and you can also click on use PIN, just in order that you do not use the fingerprint or someone else want to unlock the chat. So after entering the PIN, you can simply click on confirm. And now here, as you can see, you have unlocked the chat. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.